Hello dear viewers, look like the phone in my hand. This phone is itel S23 phone. Now today I'll show you how to set up SIM card and memory card in itel S23 phone. If you want to set up SIM card and memory card in this phone, at first I need to a SIM ejector and open the SIM tray. At first open the SIM tray. When open SIM tray, you will first set up SIM card 1 and SIM card 2, and you will third slot is use SD card or memory card in this slot. And I put this SIM card, use mini SIM card, use a setup and put this SIM tray on your phone and wait few seconds. And this phone SIM card is ready to use. Your phone SIM card setup is properly working. So if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.